In this video, we'll learn how to check our continuing education credit on the Department of Business and Professional Regulation website. Log into your My Florida License portal by going to myfloridalicense.com. Enter your username and password. Find your license number on the right-hand side and double-click on it. Next, choose your View My Continuing Education on the left-hand side and double-click on that. In this new window, you will see the required column shows what CE courses are required. The completed column shows which classes are complete. The shortfall column shows what you still need. You will notice on the first screen this licensee has completed all of the required courses and has an excess of hours beyond what is necessary. On this screen, you will notice a licensee has not completed any of the required hours, and so all 14 hours of education is indicated in both the required and the shortfall column.